Sheila from Fredericksburg has a question about concrete countertops.
Yeah, these came with the house.
Okay, well, she bought the house.
But she's using that Myers stuff. That's real good stuff.
Okay, well, stuff. I'm glad you got distracted with the picture.
Squirrel.
Okay.
Right. Since it was built in 2002, the seal on the concrete, Sheila says, is scratched and chipping in places and is no longer water repellent. We don't know what product was used for the original seal, she writes to us. Tom says she wants to know your advice on how she can reseal those countertops.
First off, I don't know what product was used either. Okay. And there was a phase in construction history back in about the late 90s. Everybody thought concrete countertops was the coolest thing in the world.
Yeah, everybody thought it was
They're horrible.
Yeah.
It'll never get any better with age. Now, you can put some clear acrylic for one thing, or some polyurethane for another, or some spar varnish. I can go on and on. I don't know what's compatible because I don't know what was put on there. And I do know that it's never going to be probably what you want. So what I would do is if you want to try one of the products, and I would say a clear acrylic would be the best because of the fact that it's probably more compatible with everything than other products, although it'll wear down quicker, and then start saving your money and thinking about a new countertop, whether it's granite or, you know, you have silestone. We can go into all kinds of different products, but I really think its life is over, and it was really bad decisions at one time, but it was very much the rage. And unfortunately, sometimes that happens with a lot of different things.
Not marble.
No, not marble ever. Okay. No, marble is too porous and too
soft.
Okay, thank you.
It's a soft stone, yeah.
It is, and it's porous.
I mean, I've learned to sit next to you. It's not like I'm an expert on this, but but I think of the concrete countertops. Even when they came out, they looked great when they first go in.
I don't think so. I thought they were horrible.
If you like that kind of industrial kind of,
it was an industrial look. Yeah,
but have you ever seen a good-looking old parking lot? I mean, it's like just intuitively, you had to know the concrete
you really were stuck in an airport listening, thinking about this, weren't you?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, fine. He's referring. I was on the road yesterday in Atlanta.
That's fine.
In Atlanta, and man, that's a fun airport. Said no one ever.
Yeah, I don't. Been there many times.
Hartsfield, they put the heart in there. Just
they have those 3 corridors, and you have to run one stair to stair to stair.
It's a steeplechase through that airport. But anyway, God bless them. I'm glad we're here. All right, you got a question? We'd be happy to help you out, just like that, without the Atlanta part. And just go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form on the new and improved homepage. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell, we'll ring yours at no extra charge when we post a new one.